Chimadukoma. Today I'll be teaching you how to produce very quality shoe polish. Yes, I emphasize that word quality, and I will tell you why. But before we get there, let's go through the list of items I'll be using to produce this small batch of shoe polish. One, I'll be using my paraffin wax. I'll be using about 25 grams. 25 grams of my paraffin wax. And I'll be using my paraffin oil. I'll be using 150 ml of my paraffin oil. This is my glycerin. You know, we want our shoe to shine, so that's why we're using more of oil. I'll be using of my glycerin, and I'll be using bee wax. You know what is bee wax? This is a very natural wax. So this is gotten from bee. And that's why I can beat my chest and say this polish will be very quality. Why? Because this bee wax here will be acting as a waterproof. It is waterproof. So when you add it to our polish, when water touches that shoe you use it to polish, it will not stay. It will just wash off. So this bee wax here, one of the properties is that it is waterproof. I'll be using it here. It is very natural. So instead of using paraffin jelly, I'll be using bee wax. I'll be using 2 to 3 spoons of bee wax. Some people might want to use this. This is paraffin gel. If you don't have bee wax, you can use this. But if you have bee wax, use it. Some people might want to use this for this. But if you have it has waterproof. At least to waterproof your shoe so that water does not get in and soak your shoe easily. But if you don't have this, you can use it. But here I'll be using this. I'll be using 2 to 3 spoons of this. I'll be using this as my container to see how to use it. Just be creative. You must not use those cans they use. You can be creative and do something different. So I'm using these beautiful containers for my shoe polish. Imagine just branding it, putting your name, beautiful label, and call it, say, Lorima shoe polish. You know how beautiful it will be. So this is what I'm using as my packaging material. I'll be using colors. I'll be producing 3 different colors here. I'll be making black, I'm making pink, and brown. They are all oil-based colors. So please, if this is your first time on my channel, I say thank you so much for stopping by. Please do well to subscribe. Please like this video and please share. And to my returning subscriber, you are the real bomb. Thank you so much for always supporting me. You are the reason I'm on YouTube. Please try the like button and let YouTube show this video to more persons that need. So let's go right into the practical. So here I'll be using what I call double boiler. You might be hearing that word double boiler, but you don't know what it is. Double boiler means we'll not be putting our pot directly on the gas. Look at this pot. I have water inside. Hot water. You can also use cold water and allow it to boil. But because I'm doing video, I don't want to waste that. That's already pre-boiled, so it will be fast for us. So just put on. Like I said, we are using double boiler. My gas is on. So here's my pot. I'll start adding everything into my pot and I'll allow it mix. First, I'll add my paraffin oil. I'll be using 150 ml of my paraffin oil. Paraffin oil. I'm using 150 ml. 150 ml of my paraffin oil. I'll pour it into my bowl. I'll pour in my paraffin oil into my bowl. And I'll add my milk. I'll pour it in. Then I'll add. You can cut them in smaller so that you can melt. I'll just fire, but because I don't want the heat to be too much, and I don't want it to get burnt, and I don't want the properties in the beeswax to be destroyed. That's why I like to do double. So I'll be putting them here. I want to do three colors. I'll pour them there before mixing my colors. So please, your colors should be oil-based color. I have my brown color, I have my pink color, I have my black color. So you see me to them. That's why I have these three containers. Imagine the beautiful packaging. You can just be creative. You must not use whatever that person is using. You can just be very creative and get something beautiful. Okay, so you can see it's almost melting. Please, just a point of correction. When you want to do your, please don't use small pot like I did. The water was boiling, so I had to go and get a bigger pot. So please use a bigger pot so that the water does not boil out and pour it out to enjoy your into your gas or whatever you're using. So you can see it's almost melting. It's just remaining warm. So once we are done melting them, I'll bring them down, allow them to cool off, add my color to them, and then pour them into the container. You can see it has gently melted completely just for this one. So you can see all is completely melted. They are not boiling down, they just melted there. So I'll put off my gas. I'll bring it down. So I'll separate them because I want to do